Yo. Wait, no. Wait. Yes. Wait. No. Yeah, oh, okay, nah, fuck it. If it doesn't work, it's YouTube's fault. Not my fault, YouTube's fault. Okay, great. I need to... You know, like... Oh wait, no, I didn't wanna cd here, like the Python cd, volatile, yeah. Here I will go to YouTube chat and Python, there we go. Quick test, I can't write test. But yeah, it works. Good. Okay. Then we will not work on this today, actually. We will work on something else today. So... Let me copy this, yeah, let me turn on music first. Oh, this is loud. You are loud, Amelia. Okay, let me just check the playlist. The door. Don't play these songs, but yeah. Okay, good. Wait, I need to fucking announce it still. What? Huh? I don't even have... I don't even know who this person is. Why am I getting tweets from them anyway? Live now. Anyway, let me get the link. Sorry, I just finished breakfast, so yeah. Live now, and then wait, no, wrong chat. There we go. So I don't even need this other console, or well, not in this capacity. CD YouTube, yes, and oh well, I don't know. How do you open another folder to like open folder? There we go. YouTube chat. Okay. What the fuck, are there so many consoles? Let's just run this code. Yes, okay, good. Let's split the console. Okay, then wait. Fucking no, Opera GX, no, I don't. Why did you enable this sidebar again? I don't want to see the sidebar. Sidebar off. Yes. I don't want to use it, Opera GX. Let me use my browser how I want, not how you want. Thank you. Okay. Okay, let me check my to-do list. Where's... okay, and that should... oh, fuck. One moment, please. That was unintended. Format. Beibehalten. And we're back. Perfect. Today I'm trying the more vertical, or the more vertical format instead of the more horizontal format on this monitor. But I think the thing is, with the more vertical format, I have to put it further away, so more on a distance, which isn't too bad, to be honest. Why did it open another Opera tab? Okay. Right, because I opened another Opera tab. Find. Okay, let's put you there. This way, like, I have even more vertical space, kinda. I have this code to YouTube comments from a live should reloads the page all the time. I just want it to check for new comments without reloading the page. The various code is using Selenium to scrape and extract YouTube live chat comments. However, the refreshes want to purchase this. I don't want to use the fucking YouTube API. Oh. No, this is inefficient. Not good user resources. Comments. No, I don't want to use the fucking YouTube API again. Let's use the live QA feature. Live Q&A is another way to expand reason. Question. Oh. Let's use WebDriver wait to wait for new comments to appear and refreshing the page. Okay. I want to use Selenium. The YouTube API doesn't work well. How do I use the WebDriver wait method to wait for new comments? The number of requests made to the server make got more efficient. You can set timeout for the wait. Most on the business time frame. Obviously, executes a JavaScript code that retrieves comments without referring. This can be done by selecting the and element and extracting its text value. However, this approach may not work if you change. I don't care about that. In conclusion, if there are multiple approaches to extracting, fuck that. Okay, to use Doctor to wait for the comments of the refreshing the page and look at the colors for it. To use the text represent element. This condition waits for the studio. Last. -1. Not the timer, no, so long wait. For timing on the following exception, you just as well. I want no timeout. I want it to continuously read new comments. The code isn't supposed to end on its own under any circumstances. Why is it using now Firefox? What the fuck? No, I am not using Firefox, am I? No, I'm using Chrome. Yeah, what the fuck? Why is it using Firefox now? Holy shit. You want to continuously read in your comments with your timer. You can use an infinite loop with sleep timer to wait between each check. In each iteration of the loop, you can check for your comments without writing the element. It installs the comments and so. It just for some reason thinks I'm. Anyway. Okay, let's try it. Let's make a new file. Save this as number 5. And it's probably. I'm just gonna take it from this and not from the whole video page itself. That would just be kind of stupid. Okay, oops. Let me change the amount of spaces. 2 spaces, yes. Whatever. Oh, because this one is. There we go. So, save it, and let's, yeah, Python, right, change it to Chrome. And then give me this, and service equals service, service equals service. Service is not defined. WebDriver is not defined. Did it like completely forget everything that it was supposed? Oh. Oh god. Yeah, okay, I think I need to... I don't think I want to go through troubleshooting it again, so I'm gonna try and do something here on my own, which might not work too great. Well, okay, let me check this. It didn't even use the wait function. Okay. For message and message lists, and then it just re-loops. Refresh the page to check. Ah. Could I have just done that? Test and test. The new script is even... Wait, is the new script faster? Let me... Okay, that's the old script. That the left one is yummy. Okay, yeah, the messages arrive faster in the new script. Okay. So, and I didn't even need it to reload the page all the time. So, oops. What the fuck? It changes that much. Yeah, yeah, let's do this for now. More space. So then I can retire number 4. Wait, no, I'm not. I don't want to wait on that because that would make it a bit weird. I want you to put a weight in this. Oh wait, no, shouldn't I wait until I just want weight. Wait until the presence of all elements. Okay, that. No, I wanted to just have a weight, so. I want to put a weight in this Selenium code. Oh no, if okay, if username equal nothing, then time.sleep 1 and just do it again, because that could fix it, I think. If user, no wait, if message equal nothing, then time dot sleep 1 and run it again. That might just do it. Find offer, find username. Find message, and this one is check if message not empty. Check if username not empty. Okay, now I just need to wait and see if it appears again, the bug, or not. Or for now I think I don't want to have it here at all, and I just want to see, okay, does it happen when when I've taken the reload out? Okay, that's new, and that's the okay, right is new and left is the old one. Okay, the left one is quicker because I took out the sleep. 1 moment. No, just might have received a very important email. Okay. Okay, I haven't received the email yet, but I should receive it soon. Okay, now I need to see, open the task manager. And, okay, why is that one? Okay, they take nothing really in performance. But here there are 2 Python scripts, but they also don't really do anything. Okay, so I'd say the code is quite efficient for how it is right now. I'm doing mostly nothing. Great. Okay, then I can stick with this code here now. Okay, that I hope it's not gonna do that again. Okay. Anyway, and if it still does that and also this won't work, then if trying to retrieve the message again doesn't work either, then just have the for loop break out and start from the beginning. Yeah, and only here the message gets added to the processed IDs, so it wouldn't or like, I don't know, add message. Yeah. So I would not have to wait. If it breaks, no, it shouldn't. No, I wouldn't need to worry about that. To store the IDs of messages if it's already been processed. Yeah, it stores all the IDs, and if a message can't be done and it fails at this step here, it won't be added to the processed IDs, so it can be rerun again. Okay, very good. And if it still doesn't work, then I need to, or if this doesn't work, then I maybe not use the time, but I use an while username equal that equal nothing. Yeah. As long as username is nothing, it tries to check again and check again if there is a user. I have. I'm gonna write that down already. While username equal nothing. do this, and as long as username always equals nothing, just cycle again, cycle again, cycle again, cycle again. Another solution. Okay. With that I hopefully have that problem fixed. Sorry, I was looking at some stuff. Okay. Let's go to to-do list. Okay. Okay, how would I do this? How would I do commands? I would basically do name substitutions. Okay, commands. But I could only how long uptime? How would I do uptime? Because as far as I can see, this page has no way to show the uptime. Right, also time stamps. Okay, so this is done. This is done. Okay, so that okay, let's just make a copy of this real quick. Close 4. Right, no. How was it? That's how it was. Okay. That's enough. So copy that. Right, what did I want to do? Ah, right, I have this code that gets messages from a YouTube live chat, but when someone uses emotes, the message is empty. How can I fix that? They should prove the values that the message is empty when someone uses emotes. To fix this, use modifier code to extract the emotes from the message. Now purchase on the phone is the Selenium to extract the HTML of the message element, and it's a regular expression to extract the text in the message. Against everything when this image is in HTML, so in the image tags will leave only the text of the message. Here are steps to implement this approach. Import re. Import re. One moment, I'll be right back. I'm back. Send risotto reverse. No, this is really bad. It just straight up uses the fucking YouTube API. I'm using Selenium. Switch the code from Selenium to the YouTube API. Wait, and it didn't. Another approach is. How would I implement the method referee in my code? Right now it just gave me like another solution. Whatever. I don't care. But hey, at least it knows how to use the API, YouTube API, unlike fucking what's it called again? ChatGPT. You modify the code to extract the message from sub, yes, in the code above, if it okay, let's try it. HTML, I can just copy paste shit. This and MSG. Right now, boy, implement the solution in this code. Emote guidelines. It's that the sources are not good. Anyway. One moment. Okay. Okay, come again. Delete this. How do I implement the method in this code? Code where we modify blah blah blah, it just regurgitates everything. Okay, that's how it wants it to do. MSG. Okay, Python. Where's 5 copy before 5? Whatever. Okay, now. Now if I go here and type in email, let's say this one. Okay, no, it's 70. I don't want the this changes nothing. It's still empty when there is an emote. It shows nothing when there is an emote. Can I at least add the emote text to the comment without an image? Okay, on this use in implementation may not have worked is that the text of the message may not be contained in the HTML of the message element. In that case, we can try a different approach, which is to extract the text message from the YouTube format of the string element instead of the image element. Here's an example implementation. In the code above, we first import blah blah blah. The modifier to extract the message from the YouTube format string element. We first try to find the YouTube format string element using message and If the element is found, we extract the text of the message using .text. If the element is not found, we use the HTML of the message and remove the HTML tag using resub. The resulting text is then printed along with the username. Note that this approach assumes that the text of the message is contained in the YouTube format string element and that the image element only contains the emote. If it's not the case, this approach may not work. If you want to add the emote text to the comment without an image, you can modify the code to extract the text of the emote from the image element using get attribute alt. Here's an example implementation. Okay, I don't know what this is going to do. Let's find out. I'll return this one. Boah, it's so stupid. Still empty. Let's take a look at this solution. Try find message. Let's see. Holy shit, it continues code. In the modified code, we first try to find the text of the message using blah blah blah. If the text is not found, we use the HTML of the message and remove the HTML text using resub. We then try to find the text as the emote using message. Alt. Get attribute alt. Okay, that's good. If the email text is found, we append it to the message text with a space. If the text is not found, we do nothing. Note that this approach assumes that the email text is contained in the alt attribute of the image element. If this is not the case, this approach may not work. Okay. It contained message. Okay. And, wait, which of these is now? Okay, let me just restart both of them. Okay. We go back here. And let's see what cooks. MSG. And pink waving. Ay. So if someone would write let's say hello, I know, hello and this, how it would look like, hello and waving. If someone would write hello and put a space there. Okay, it adds a space. No, add colon plus colon. So if I do that, that's gonna be shown as yes, hello, and yeah, okay, that is good enough. That's good enough. If I just try another emote, like spam emotes. Let's see. Okay. Wait, no, does it only take the last emote? No, this time it took the first emote. So let's have this, and let's have this. Hello, hand ping. Wait, no, it takes, okay, it takes the first emote, but it appends it to the end of the message. there is a problem when someone sends multiple emotes. Only the first emote is being output in text. Okay. One reason why only the first emote is being output in the text is that the images elements for multiple emotes have the same old attribute value. In this case, for multiple emotes may have the same old value. No, they don't. In that case, the find element method will only find the first image. It's part of the solution. Fucking hell. No, let me remove the answer. I'll be right back. Okay. No. Whether I wanna... Like, why am I at the top of the page? Here's the full code. Okay, when someone writes multiple emotes in a message, whether it's the same or different emotes, only the first one gets printed. They all different emotes have different old text. Okay, let's see how it handles that. Thank you for bringing up the attention. On the other hand, the message with multiple emotes is to extract all the emotes from the message in constant
Concatenate.
Concatenate. Okay, what the fuck? Concatenate. Link. Concatenate with the message text. Here is an updated implementation that extracts all emotes from the message. Yo, it's just getting longer and longer. Okay. I'm just gonna... Okay, save that rerun that. Oh, fucking hell. Okay, what was that? Hello, handling that should be okay. Okay, this worked. Sometimes the emotes are written in front of the text, but the output has the emotes always at the end of the message are written in front or in the middle of the text. Wait, what? But the output has seemed to okay. Maybe add a feature request. Oh wait, what was I thinking about? Okay, let me see. Wait. Okay. What's the solution? I thank you for bringing this to my attention. In the cases where the emotes are not at the end of the message, you can modify the insert them emotes at their original position in the text message using an updated implementation that inserts the emotes at their original positions. Okay, this is cool. This code is getting like, holy shit, this code is getting long. Bam. Okay, and then children. Okay. Text. Worked. Spaces. Okay. Okay, to put colors in. Okay, wait, is it even longer now? No, it's not longer, but okay. Great. The question is now, which one of these is the one that I have to close? Nope, that was the wrong one. And I also want the browser window to close when I stop the script in the console with Ctrl+C. Okay, then let's just open that again. And open that again. Very good. Okay, all of that works now, which is perfect. Now is life upon the throne. Okay, let me rename this to number 6. A new folder, old scripts. Okay, now it will be easier to Python type 6. Okay. Other okay, now yes, there's the key files. Do not fucking click them. That would be bad. I don't need the opera driver. Okay, nice. Perfection. Okay, let me look at some stuff real quick. This fucking baller. Ow. This was shut so tight, my hand hurts. Oh. Okay. Message. All text. Yes, all text is good. It's here. Message. All text. Message. Alt text. Index. Message. Okay, then let's do this real quick. This again. Everything still works. Perfect. Okay. Okay, the amount of impressions is horrible. Man. Okay, let me continue. I can check something else off. You can have emotes in the console, or at least the emote alt text. Yes. I want to add a filter to my file where it checks if messages have words that I want to block. The file would just be a txt or JSON. Okay, let's see. Alright, driver quit class. I did ask it if the browser when the script is interrupted. But where's then the signal handler even? Let me try this. It goes between here. Import signal. But there's no other mention of signal. Signal. Holy shit. Signal only there. But nowhere else in the code, right? Right, okay. So if I do this, currently the browser window stays open. If I now do it and it just, yeah, no. It just completely breaks it. Nope, let's not do that. I'm just gonna have to deal with it. It's not like a huge problem or anything. Control J, nice. Very good. Here, like selecting now to add a filter checks. Then also you want to block so you can against the list of blocked words. Here's an updated implementation that reads the list of blocked words from a text file. Okay, import sys, import JSON, import sys, import JSON, the list of blocked words from a text file. Why import JSON when I'm not even using JSON? Who knows? Let's go through the text here. So, if message, if any word in text lower for word in blocked words. Wait. Check if the message contains any blocked words. If the message contains a blocked word, skip it. Continue. It just didn't do the sources. Oh, fucking hell, I hate when every app is just like, hey, alerts, they make a sound. I don't want them to make sounds. I want them to stay quiet forever. In the updated implementation, we reload the list of blocked words from a text file using with open blah 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 as so read each line of the file for using for line and f and remove the new line character using line.strip. Restore the list of blocked words in the blocked words variable. We then check for each message text against the list of blocked words using if any word in text.lower for word in blocked words. If the message text contains any blocked words, we skip the message using continue. Can I, instead of using continue, just write a message filtered? Let's see, let's answer that for a moment. And okay, it seems like it's loading quite a bit right now. Let's just implement this real quick before the print. Yep. In message. Oh, for if word in message lower. Word and blocked words. Okay. And blocked words is basically just a list. Message equal filtered. Okay, now I need to make a new file. Blocked underscore words dot txt, and let's just say test and test 1 and test 2 and test 3 and try them all out in just a moment. Okay, let's save and let's run it. Filtered. But yeah, it seems to work. Okay, now the right one will always be the one I'm testing, and the left one is always the current stable one. Test 1, test 2, test 3. filtered. Hello, test. Filtered. No, I wanted to. Let's see. Filtered. Okay. That might be a problem then, if it has. I will get to it when I. Okay, I'll write that as a comment. Currently, when nah, I'm just gonna do it now. I'm gonna do it now. Yo, it's generating slower now. But no, I don't want to watch tech news right now. Sorry, Riley. Not now. It's still writing, what the fuck? Let's use an updated implementation that sets the message text to filtered. Damn it. Oh, it's generating so slowly right now. Damn it. Oh. Okay, text filtered, yeah, that worked. Okay, I need to start saying only give me the relevant code, holy shit. Okay, somewhere along the way it forgot to write gc.collect and wrote time sleep instead, which totally different things. What the fuck? Yeah, I didn't even notice there is no. It completely ignored GC collect and just wrote time.sleep. Do I even need time? I'm not using time right now. But at the same time, just okay. It's currently at 3,600 characters. Oh. Wait, no, what? I'm just gonna. Okay. I need to take a short break. I think my mind is wandering around. Nearly 1.5 hours. I preferably gotta go longer because first off it's fun right now. Yeah. The thing is, I could make an uptime command and use the API for that. Not API for that. It wouldn't be too much trouble. Yeah. Using the API for that would be like, should work. Yeah, right, commands, so oh yes, I can just make a new file, commands.txt. I don't even need JSON, right? Commands.txt, and like, for example, commands and uptime, and okay, let me get rid of this blocked word list. I'm gonna need to do that later. Commands, uptime, what else? HoloCure, Discord, Twitter. Yeah, I could just do that. Wait. What did it? Why the fuck does it do that? It's not supposed to do that. Holy shit. That's very bad. Anyway, okay, so it then if that what words commands.txt commands.txt like this. This is fun, to be honest. Then commands. Wait, how can I do that? Okay. Okay. Interesting. How would I do that? Could it do that is the question. Oh. Okay, no commands for now. Wait, no, like what I can do, word in commands, no, not for now. Upsala. That was justice. Yes, I'm not gonna do commands for now. What I first need, okay, first off, I'm gonna try to do timestamps. Yes. Oh, right. Is that, okay. What I first want to do is timestamps. So what would happen if I did this? Okay, well, true, pause. Okay, it opens the page, that is good. That is good to know. Exactly what I want. Because here, put text, put code to enable timestamps. Okay, what I need to do now is for that I could this yes. I could do this, yes, and yeah, I'm not logged in or anything, so I can just do it without worries because there shouldn't be anything. Okay. I want specifically this. Why did it go for the text messages? There it is. Zeitstempel ein- oder ausblenden. Hi Gangster. Welcome, welcome. How are you doing? I've been currently working on this chat integration more. Currently I was able to do that it shows, or wait, okay, let me get it on here, then you can also see it. Yeah, there it is. Currently I've been working on like doing this, getting emotes to work correctly and everything. I'm still loading. What are you doing? Working on the chatbot and stuff. What do you mean as in like stream still loading? Okay, I need to okay, that's annoying. That's okay, I don't need the chat messages. I need this specific one here. So it always closes it back up. Wait. Oh, okay. That is interesting. First off, it didn't load the name again, which is so annoying. So that is still not working. And second off, it did the emote, but it didn't use the alt text. It just used regular emote. Since when can this console do emotes? What the fuck? So it seems like doing regular emotes just works apparently, but YouTube emotes don't work. Fun. I don't think I'm gonna fix that. Let me just click this. Fucking hell. Disable upgrade. Hidden. This YouTube, this Microsoft. Yeah, interesting. Nice. So apparently that works. Okay. So I wanted to click a certain button. But yeah, it seems like normal, or not Microsoft emojis, but like the normal emojis, which, or just not YouTube emojis, which don't have like anything but like as Microsoft emojis, or they are like on everything basically. Those are just like normal emojis that like every device supports. Yeah, but god damn it, the names are now empty again. Okay, let me try and fix it. All scripts. Was it in the 4 or was it in the 5? Did I put it in 5? At least for now, it does get the comments, but it doesn't get usernames. Six. Usernames. Oh, come on. Okay. Let's try that again. Close that. Ooh. Open it again. Let's see. Probably have to wait again for that to... But at least what I was able to see is that now messages are always there. Probably because of all of this. Like, all of this is just so that the emotes can be in chat. All of this is just for emotes. Otherwise it would just be one message long like usernames. Like, how much text is it just for emotes? Nearly half of the file is just for emotes. Nice. There are also all the spaces which just add to the file. Can you briefly explain to me how Streambot works? Sure. Hi, An. It did it again. Okay, so make it repeat for every 10 seconds so you not miss the name. Okay, what I currently did is what I did before, it reloaded the page all the time. I thought that might be the issue. It wasn't. Like, how do you interact with online stuff from the server like YouTube? Okay, what I do, let me... So, we go from the top. This is just to that I don't see the annoying error messages. Okay, here. This opens the Chrome driver. The Chrome driver is basically, it helps me interact with Chrome. Because how I do it is I interact with Chrome, as you can see on this one. If I just close this stuff again. This is basically the page. There. Like, oh. This is what the script sees. This is what it sees. Then it basically it goes into the HTML code, which I can make big, and if I like go on a message, go here, and what it basically does, it tries to get these, all of these are the messages. Like, this is every single message here. If you can see it, it highlights them and stuff. It's every single message with the unique ID, username and everything. Then it makes a set for processed IDs. These are all of these IDs that it already ran over, so it doesn't spit out the same message multiple times. Then I have a list of blocked words and commands. Both of them are currently still empty, or I need to see how I can implement the commands. And the block list is currently empty. Then we get into a while loop. The while loop, it gets a list of all the messages that are, so it basically gets the list of all of these, and it uses like this CCS selector to find them. Then we go into a for loop, and for every message we extract its message ID. I'm not learning anything. We extract the message ID, which you can see here. This long ass ID, which it's like, what the fuck, it's so long, but it needs to be this long because like there are so many messages. And it it gets attribute ID. So that's what it does. And then if the message ID that we just got is already in the set of processed IDs, what it does, it just ignores this. If not, it continues. So first off, we find the username, we make a variable called username, and find it by the CSS selector author name. If we go over here and expand this and go to content, no, would it be, no, not author photo, it would be under content. Under this, there's author name. We get this author name ID, or we jump to it, and then we get the text. So for me it would be exe. And then we get this author name. Currently I have something if the author name is empty, because it sometimes, as you can see here, is empty for some reason. I have it sleep for a second and try to do it again, because I thought, okay, it's maybe because it hasn't loaded yet. But that doesn't seem to be the issue, so what I need to do is, when the username is empty, or I need to have it break out of the loop. Oh, so it takes chat info from Chrome, respond, then post to Chrome again. You don't mess with the server, anything, got it. Yes, I'm not using an API. I have used the YouTube API. If you look at this, this is the YouTube API stuff. But it wasn't great. For some reason I reached the limit of the YouTube API really fast. Because I don't think it's optimized for getting that many messages or something. I know, like I had 10,000 queries and I somehow used all of them at once already. Like in just like an hour or two. Yeah. So that's why I didn't want to use the YouTube API again, because it wouldn't work for streams that are multiple hours long. Yeah. And then this whole text is to get a message. Usually I could just do something like this also, like if we go to number 5 here. Here I just have message and I also search it by the CSS selector. So then we would have here content and here is message. ID message, and here is the text. Text. I wanted to write test, but I can't write. Okay. But because I wanted emotes to show up, or at least I wanted the YouTube emotes to be handled so that I could still see the text of them and it wouldn't just show an empty message. I had all of this implemented, which I could go through and try to understand, but I don't really want to understand. So it's like still the same, it just gets the, instead of just the message, it gets everything, it gets the text of it. So it gets the whole text of the message. So with the HTML and everything. So because the emotes are HTML with images, and then they also have alternative text. And there it's like, if it finds emotes in the text or images in the text, then it classifies them as emotes, because nothing else should have an image. And then for the emotes, it gets the alt text for them, and then it appends the alt text to the message. And it also tries to do that not all emote, like at first I had it that only one of the emotes would be recognized. Next I had it that all of the emotes would be at the end of the message. So, and then with this I now have it so that all the emotes are recognized and all the emotes are in the correct order. So if you, for example, look here, there would be like this first emote and text and then another emote. I'm trying to understand what I want to understand. I feel like, I feel this is on so many levels. Yeah. And then, yeah, and this is also the same if the HTML, if the text is not from used HTML of the message. It's basically the same but different. Then here I have name substitutions, because geometry's name is so long and complicated. I just didn't want it to be that long, so I just, if geometry types in chat, it just shows geometry and not his whole name like down here. yeah, then the blocked word list, it just spits out filtered, if that happens, and then it prints the message. And at the end, the message that I just got, and because the message ID was here, this message ID gets added to the processed IDs, so that when it has looped for all the messages, it begins here again, gets the message list, and goes for every message, and gets the IDs again. And if it sees, okay, the ID is already in this set which we initialized up here, it doesn't spit it out. Then it does garbage collection. So my RAM doesn't fill up at some point. My brain is hurt. And at the end, if I just... yeah, if I interrupt it, I can just close it. My brain is... do you want me to go... do you want me to go through some other scripts? Programming, Python... Do you want me to go through all of this? If you want, I can. What the fuck, I'm not done scrolling. Yes. It's 779 lines of code. And in total, 30,000 characters. 30,000 characters. Yes, I think it's enough for today. Thank you forever. The thing is, there is then also still the scoreboard. Okay, the scoreboard opened here, but that's, to be honest, not interesting. And then there is also where is it? There. The theme.json, which I can also explain. It's just something short. So yeah. This is fun. Okay, let me close these again. I'm not working on them today. Thank you forever. I need to drink something real quick. But yeah, it still doesn't get a message name, so I need to see. Okay, how can I break out of a for loop? I want to get back to the while loop and get this again. Okay, how can I break out of a for loop in Python if a certain condition isn't met? Okay, let's see. Oh. But like, LLMs are so good. Using break with a... what? I wanted in a for loop. But yeah, okay. So then let's introduce a break. Let's comment this out and break. My brain is HD and it totally failed because I'm... Upgrade to an SSD. Okay, let me... this again. What the hell? Wait, what? Why is this a question mark now? Why is this a question mark now? What? It is so weird. Why is that a question mark? Okay, yeah, okay. So I will see if any usernames are empty. That Or at least it shouldn't happen any. Right, I should write print broke out of the loop. Okay, let me wait there and restart it. Okay, unknown brain emoji. Wait, no, now it's skull again. Now it's a skull again. Huh. Weird. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's see. If username is this and it finds out, then it should broke out of the loop. So I'm gonna wait and see if this message pops up. Okay. What did I want to do? Right, I wanted it to do timestamps. I wanted to click on a button. Oh shit. Okay. Okay, let's see. I want to use Selenium in Python to click on a button. To click on a button using Selenium Python, there are multiple approaches. One approach is to use explicit right and click on the button. Here are a few steps. Import wait driver, WebDriver wait. Create, being chilling. Slide out button. Okay. Okay, for that I'm just gonna write it all in a new script. Okay, WebDriver. Okay, or no, I'm gonna use this for it from WebDriver. Options equal options. Okay. Okay, and then I need yes, this is what I want. This is the URL. Okay, let's see. Wait, I went into the messages, no, not. Let me get this again. Yeah, okay. So I need to know which of these is the button. Like, aria selected false. Tab index -1, tab index 0. What if I set? I need to see which one I need to set to true. So, okay, so this is hidden. Okay, so I need to turn this hidden into focused. And then I need to turn, is it the second one, to Linux aria selected. Now it's true. No, no, it's okay. Now it's true and the messages are shown. But if I click this again, it's false again. This is weird. Because it doesn't want to stay open when I do this, but when I click this, it just kind of like. Force state, what's, okay, no. It rewrites the HTMLs, is confusing right now. The thing is, I know it's here. I don't know which one. This is just the icon, or whatever. It's some SVG. This isn't important. This is the text. Menu item selected true. Wait, why is the first menu item shown as selected true? Okay, so what I'm getting from this, I should just need to. If I put this to false, you know. This to selected. Now currently it's selected as true. So if I now put it to true, no, it doesn't show. How can I make it show up? I don't know. Okay, I need to probably do this and I can just concentrate on it. So let's not have that right now, or okay, I'm just gonna, or I'm gonna try and see what it suggested here with this other website. Make it repeatedly for the right time. For what? For what do you mean? Currently what I want is that this button here, that it enables the timestamps. The first time it loads the website, it enables the timestamps. Import, or I'm currently not trying to wait for anything. Fucking hell. I don't know what to say. Slide out button. Slide out button. Okay, there is nothing for that. Could select the method. So this must be how it feels to me in the news where I chose to be a code instead of an artist. I could just put me at ease somehow. So name is not invisible. That's what you meant. So the name is not invisible. Yeah, currently I just have this. So it breaks out of the for loop and just starts the for loop again and tries to get the name again. Until now it hasn't shown to me yet in the down here if it's done that. So okay. Brain, okay. Let me close this folder here. Okay, let's go here. Let's look at my to-do list. I can't do the timestamps right now. Or can I? Timestamps should still be as information, just not displayed. Yes, they are. Or no, I just timestamp equal message.find element by CSS selector, comma there would be author name message timestamp. Break out of that. Wait, why did it do double parentheses anyway? Dot text. Oh, there's an M instead of a comma there. Yes, okay. And then do timestamp, comma. Alright, let's do I can't type. Colon, comma. Okay. Let me restart the script. Okay, it's not getting timestamped. Let's see, content. Author name would also just be, and message would also just be. Oh, let me see. Message text. YouTube format. That's string. Why does it not? Why does it not? That is so weird. Is it because the author? No. Or it's in that span. But that span also, or no. Where does this span end? It ends here. So it's within a span, and this is also within a span. So it should be able to just get the text. But it doesn't. You typed something wrong. Timestamp. Message.find element by CCS selector. Timestamp. It is timestamp. It's the same as author and the same as message. And like message and that are even in the same thing. So, and if we look at, let's go back to number 4. CCS selector here, it also was just message. So it should have been able to find it. Why would it not work here? It worked for none of them. Okay, what I can do is I want to get the current time with Python and print it. What if you can use a string from a timer to... Okay. Then let's do this. Wait, what? Okay, anyway, then let's not do timestamp like this, but like this. Data. Oh, first, for emoji package try pip install one. Pip install emoji. Pip import emoji. But like these emojis already work, so or does that pip install emoji, does it also include the YouTube emotes? Does it include the YouTube ones or does it not? Because that would be important. Because like the normal ones work, but just that the YouTube ones don't. Close it again. Okay, now I do timestamp equal, but from select from date, or no, I can just do import date time, right? This. Why is like this? Why not just import date time? You just import datetime class from datetime module. So if you're using datetime, okay. From datetime, okay. Datetime dot. How was it? Datetime dot now dot. what was it? STR dot STR time. Percentage hour. This percentage M. This percentage S. So then it would be timestamp, right? I think so. If you put like fire, it will be this. Oh, hi Akuma. Hi. But yeah, but it wouldn't work for the YouTube emoji, so it would still want the old text. So, or you know, I'm gonna write it down. What you told me. I'm gonna write it down. Copy. Yeah, my brain is out of storage. No problem. One moment. Let me restart the script. Oops, I did an oopsie. There needs to be a percentage there. Nice, okay. Now I have everything. Now the chat formatting is nearly complete. Yeah, I could just I need to do the name substitution with a for loop. Okay. Just need to check some things. Okay. I have that again. I'm gonna take a short break and I'll be right back. Okay, what the f? I'm back. Yeah, it was just like, I suddenly saw this, that it like, the implementation I thought would work, but nope. It didn't work. It did not work. So, what other solutions I could... I could make another... The thing is, it should just get... I need to take the beard back. Okay. It should just get a new message list, but it doesn't. It just doesn't. Or maybe it does, but it's still... Gotta go. Okay, see, I got. Thank you for coming back. Things I don't want to make put some weird exceptions or stuff in it. But apparently this method doesn't work. But this method also doesn't work where it sleeps for a moment. Then I can just... I'm gonna try one other method that is... one other method that I had thought of, number 4, no, number 5, that is a while loop. Probably not gonna be much better, but it's worth a try. Fucking hell. It's worth a try, okay. And I also want to print username was empty. Let's try this again. Currently everything works without a flaw, but it's just reading messages the first time. Okay, while that is going on, let's see for some timestamps work now. Okay, filter and TXT file, yes. I don't think I want to make a UI right now. Add automated add comma. Why did I have filter twice there? Okay, I think then for now I'm gonna try to make commands. I wouldn't know how to make the up. First I'll make the command. Button click script. It's something. Okay, let's make command. Is re even used anymore? It isn't used in except yes, it's being used. Okay. This is, I think, being used. Let's see, is this important? What the fuck? Apparently it's not important. Okay. Raise important time is important, I think. I'll just keep it in for now. And GC to the garbage collector. I can't wait for it to just spam username was empty in the chat. It's gonna be great. Okay, didn't crash it. Good. Two and a half hours, huh? Okay, I implemented the time commands. That's what I wanted to do. I have a Python script that checks chat messages. I have a commands.txt file with commands. When someone, for example, writes commands, it should output. Writes command from the list, it should output text. Let's see how it does that. I want the command list to be read from a separate file. Let's see. Message input. Messaging commands. Equal command. Okay, so that's basically in here. The input is to. Okay, I don't need that. I have another way to do that. Yeah. If message in commands, then message. Okay, let me read through this. To read the command list from a separate file, you can modify the previous implementation to read the commands from a text file instead of a dictionary. You can use the open function to open the file and read its contents. The file should contain one comment per line, with corresponding output text separated by a delimiter like a colon or a tab. Here's an example implementation. Okay. So instead of that, it would be this. And for line in F, okay. Let's see, what's the difference between curly brackets and rectangle brackets in Python? Let's see. Because here it's because here it's a list and it strips each line and splits it here. And here it's command in text. And this is quite confusing, and I'm looking at command right now and it looks like such a weird word, command. Why are there two M in it? Like I look at it and I only see one M somehow. Fucking language. Like it gets worse when I select command like this. It looks even worse. Like two M's, who thought of two M's? Okay. Brain. Okay, let's see. In Python, curly braces are used to create dictionaries of sets, while square brackets are used to list a dictionary in an ordered collection of key value pairs. Okay, whatever. Okay. This command outputs. Okay. Commands. I'm just gonna add this and then HTTPS like twitter.com/xc and Discord would be, what's the Discord link? YouTube. Check the description. What's the Discord link? There's the Discord link. HoloCure, let's check this link. There. I need to see how uptime works. Needs to. How could I do that with a line break? Figure out how to do line breaks. It should really stop. If an example, select for compare now. I wanted to stop trying to get things from it. Holy shit. Okay. Then I need a compare something. If message. Okay. So if MSG in oh. Then print commands message. Okay, let's see if it works. Just do it here. Ah, cool. It broke instantly. No value to unpack. Bless you. Thank you. No, not enough values to unpack. Expected 2, got 1. Hmm. Let's check here again. Oh, it might be because of this still. Let's try again. No. Okay, then let's ask it. I got this error from your code. Okay, let's see. The error received in the code I provided is caused by a line that tries to split a string using the colon delimiter, but the resulting list only contains 1 item instead of 2. It seems that the string does not contain any delimiter, causing the split method to return only 1 item. The value error is raised because the code expects 2 items, for 1 for the command, 1 for... Yeah, I know that it was... Okay. It took it a whole paragraph to say there is 1, but it thinks there should be 2. To fix this, you should check that the string contains the delimiter before trying to split it. You can... No, I don't want to do a try except that it's fucking stupid. No, I don't want to try excepts because that doesn't fix the issue. Fucking hell. There are colons in the commands.txt. That's the sanity check. Not yet losing my sanity. Not yet. Does the text also have to be in quotes or something? Currently it's just this. And then let's copy the commands. Let's see. And the code I provided, the split method is used to split each line. Oh fucking hell, yes. To avoid this issue, you can modify the form. Right after to include quotes around the checks. Okay. Let's see if this works. time. Let me check some things. No. Okay, this doesn't work. So do I also have to put this stuff in quotes or what? Let's see. Okay, let's run it again. Too many values to unpack? First it says there are not enough, now it says there are too many. Okay, let me add this line. Okay. After the change I get this error. That's kind of rated. Yeah, guys. Too many to unpack. This error you received after modifying the const.txt is caused by the split method. During the split, a line that contains more than one colon in the Oh! Because it's links. Because it's website links. What the fuck? That's why, because there are colons here. If line contains more than one colon, the split method will return more than two values. Yeah, to fix this, you should show that each line contains only one colon separate. Here's an example. Okay, the thing is, it didn't recognize that the issue are the links. So let me check. If I just write a twitter.com, does it recognize this as a link? No, you cannot click on it. Okay. doesn't recognize it as a link that you can click on. The issue are the links that I put in the file. Can I use another delimiter instead of a colon to fix this? The thing is, if I have the commands working, what I then have to do is figure out how the fuck I can make it sign in. I need to have it sign in so that I can... Oh. Okay. Okay, a semicolon, that should work. Wait, what is it doing now? Why did it make it more complicated? Whatever. For now, it's just supposed to work. So... Okay, and I can't even select these fucking colons, semicolons. Replace, next, replace. Okay, let's see. Let's run it again. So many messages. That's interesting. Anyway, there we go. Let's do Twitter. It just needs to... right, because I don't have any stuff for commands yet. But yeah, no, it didn't... even though if MSG in commands, the thing is, I still have to make it sign in. That is gonna be so annoying to do. Well, it's not gonna be annoying anymore when I figure out how I can make it click on things. Or what I can do is I can make it very, very weird. Oh, I could make it so weird. I could make it so weird. This whole thing. Anyway, if message in commands, then print this is a command. Okay, let's do this and do this again. And if it sees that the Twitter.com thing, it should... okay, it doesn't output anything. Hmm. How can I solve this problem? Treasure box is so good. Treasure box is such a good song. I want to listen to it again. Oh. Brain. Is my brain still working? I currently don't know. It's been 3 hours. I think for now I'm gonna stop, actually. Because I think I'm getting close to the limit and I actually want to eat something, and in 2 hours I gotta do something else, and okay, thanks everyone for coming by, and yeah, it's always a pleasure. It's always a ton of fun. Okay, anyway, see you everyone, probably tomorrow. Tomorrow sounds good.